Ready?
Welcome to another episode of Watch Once Over. Today we're going to be looking at two new Formex Essence in the Splash series. These are the Leggera FortyOnes, and this is a Splash Baby Blue, and then this one is the Lavender Purple. These are available right now at ArizonaFineTime.com right now for $17.90. That is the suggested retail price. Contact those guys if you're interested. These ones are simply amazing. Now let's look at the blue first. This one is the Splash Blue Essence, and it has the carbon fiber case, as you can see. That makes it really, really light. These watches come in at 47 grams. They have a natural rubber strap on them with Formex's patented uh, system, as you can see, and you can adjust these on the fly with this patented system. It's pretty daggone cool. That's all carbon fiber too, signed with Formex. Now, these watches have sapphire crystals front and back. SW200 chronometer grade movements that are really, really well regulated by Formex. Take a look at this movement. Look at that. Sapphire back, carbon fiber, ceramic, 100 meters of water resistance. Now, they have a special shock absorption system. Let me show you how that works. Look at that. You have 4 points, 4 shock absorbers on this case, which is pretty cool. That allows this watch to flex. You have a push-pull crown. You have that beautiful Formex in-house dial. Formex makes their own dials, all applied indices, those unique Formex hands, Superluminova, and color-matched date wheel. As you can see, it is a chronometer. You have that beautiful Formex logo. And look at the brushing of the ceramic bezel. That is a high polished ceramic bezel. And I believe the crown is also ceramic too. So you don't have to worry about the scratching. And these space age materials make these watches especially light. That's why they're coming in only at 47 grams. Now this is the lavender purple. You can see it also has the color match date wheel. It's also a chronometer. And you have that carbon fiber composite case. Very vivid, very beautiful dials on here. Look at that crown signed Formex. I'll show you what this looks like on my wrist. My wrist is 7.25 inches. That's what it looks like. You can barely feel these on the wrist. And these watches are limited to the summer months only. So these are pretty limited. They're only going to be around for the summertime. Beautiful summertime colors that really pop. And you're getting a chronometer, sapphire glass with anti-reflective coating, beautiful rubber straps that are hypoallergenic. These are vulcanized rubber straps. So you don't have to worry about them breaking you out. Look at that. Now, let's do some quick measurements on here. And they both come with the patented micro adjust system for the straps. 41 millimeter case. The thickness is 11.2, and the lug to lug of the case is going to be a 47. Now you also get that quick quick strap disconnect if you want to change the strap. So you also get that too. And look at that Formex rotor on here. Let me move in closer on there. Look at the beautiful brushing on this Formex rotor. Look at that. All the perlaging, blued screws, It's really, really nicely done. And you also get that special, like I said before, suspension case, as you can see. That makes it especially comfortable to wear too. So these are both in all three colorways at ArizonaFineTime.com. They're in stock now. And they also include Super Luminova. I'll light them up for you. And I'll take you out with a lume shot. And the lume is very powerful on these. Formex applied it very evenly and nice. And this is what it looks like. Both have that cyan blue lume. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Formex is doing a great job. I love this brand. This brand punches way above its weight. Check these guys out. My name is Biggie. That's the Watch Once Over for today. Please subscribe. God bless. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.